Ever had a hug from her that made your heart race, yet you walked away unsure if you left an impact? What if I told you the way you respond to that one moment can keep you echoing in her mind for days? Picture this. She leans and wraps her arms around you. The silent language. It's not just physical. It's a silent language. In that split second, your body speaks louder than your words ever. Could Moas miss this? They freeze. Daughter worse, they respond like heights. Just another bro hug. That's your moment. And if you handle it right, feel her with quiet power. You'll plant yourself in her mind like a whisper that lingers first. Feel her energy. Dot. Is it brief and polier, lingering and warm? If she presses in longer, it's an invitation. Stoicism teaches you to observe, not react impulsively. Instead, pause off, squeezing back instantly. Pause, just a breath. Let her feel that you represent calm and grounded. That any delay. It creates mystery. It tells Harry noting anything because you know your worth. Now return the hug with intention. Not too tight. Return the hug. One hand low on her back, the other near her shoulder. Stable, safe. Don't rub her back. That's nervous energy. Instead, hold with purpose. Like you're saying, I see you. Stoicism is composed. Stoicism isn't see old. It's composed. She should feel your control, not your journess. That's what separates boys from men in her mind. And here's the twist. When you release, don't pull away too fast. Let your hand trail just half a second longer. Look her in the eye. Smile first button. Smile first. Let her search your face. Then give her a soft, knowing smile. Not wide. Just enough that subtle delay builds anticipation. Anticipation breeds memory. Don't fill the silence. Read after silence. Used well as powerful speak. Speak only if it adds widow. Simple. It's good to see you. In a calm, grounded tone, land charter. Then a flood off words that you're not trying to impress. You're letting your energy speak, and fat, hats, unforgettable. Every time you see her repeat this presence, stay still. She start a sosai with calm, security, and depth. Makes you rarer or sticks while other guys chase attention. You'll command it without chasing. Stoicism gives you the power to stay toolin'. A world that's always rushing. She'll feel that and crave it. So next time she hugs you, don't treat it like nothing. That's our chance to be unforgettable. Not through flash, but through presence. The strongest memories aren't loud. They're felt respond. Like a man who doesn't need to say much because his silence says all.